Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
The Sad Man and the Happy Man. A moral story: be positive and live in the present. Two men were going on a journey together. They were very different from each other. One man was sad and the other man was always happy. The sad man always worried about his future, but the happy man sang songs. The sad man said, "What if I become blind one day? How will I walk?" So, he closed his eyes and tried to walk like a blind man. The happy man walked on his side, making sure that his sad friend did not stumble. Just then, the happy man found a purse full of gold. When the sad man opened his eyes, he saw the purse filled with gold in the happy man's hand. The sad man realized his mistake and felt sorry for himself. He decided never to be sad and negative again. The happy man offered to share the purse of gold with him. The two friends went ahead singing songs together.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.